We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x14 equipment trailer with IBeam and 5,200 pound axles. Up front you have your adjustable coupler, your jack and safety chains. This is made with an 8-inch IBeam frame. Has a chain basket up front, the breakaway system. The floor is pressure treated wood. It has your D-rings built in, as well as stake pockets. This is a tandem axle. It comes with two Greaseable 5,200 pound axles. They have the 15-inch wheels and tires, as well as the black diamond plate fenders. This trailer comes wired with LED drive lights. Has your Dovetail rear, as well as the 5-foot stand-up loading ramps. And the spare tire holder. This is the 7x14 foot equipment trailer with 5,200 pound axles. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.